Alright, so are your labels peeling off of your Bontrager tires like this? See how it says Bontrager? Every single one of these labels is peeling off of these tires. So to fix that, we're going to use some spray adhesive of your choice, Q-tips, painter's tape, and a paper plate. So, what you want to do is take the spray adhesive, shake it up to the recommended time, and then spray a puddle of it on the paper plate, like so. Take your Q-tip, get it all nice and covered in adhesive, and then find your label that you want to stick back on the tire, and you get in between the tire and the label. Like so. And let's see what it looks like if we just stick it down. Okay, so we might not need the painter's tape. That one's nice and stuck back on. Flip the Q-tip over, and then do the same thing on all four sides of the tires, because all the labels on these tires are unfortunately peeling off. All right, on the back side, you gotta see this. Okay, so our front and rear are looking good on the drive side, but on the non-drive side, dude, look at that. It's just hanging there. Hi, Bontrager. So we're gonna fix that one next. And get a nice new Q-tip for this one. I guess after the first two, spray some new glue down, because it gets really sticky and it's not as easy to work with. Fresh glue is always better. Okay, so that Bontrager label is back on, as you can see. Let's do the last one. Literally every single label came off these tires. So this one is just hanging there. Not as bad as the non-drive side rear, but still. So, like little painters painting on glue. I'd say this is the second worst one. Now that we have fresh glue, we're in good shape. Okay. All right, so we successfully re-glued all our Bontrager labels back on these tires, and I hope this helped.